front of the house. And it has 3-car garage, wide corner lot. You walk in through these steps, very few steps, and it's a very elegant entrance. Once you walk into the house, you have this hallway, and on the right side you have the formal living room with fireplace, beautiful windows, and window treatment is very elegant, very nice and bright. And this is the formal dining area, 2 windows also, so that makes it nice and bright. You have the den office on the left side. And then you have the coat closet right next to the den. And then you have the stairs going up. Also you have a walkway here to the half bath. Or the powder bath. And you have the storage area under the staircase to store things. It's nice and deep. It's nice and deep. And this is the access to the garage door. To the garage, I mean. It's 2-car garage and a 1-car garage, nice and deep, with roof shelves to store. I'm going back on the half path here to the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Really large pantry here with a double door. Nice, wide and deep. It's a nice wide pantry. You have double oven and a microwave. Range. Beautiful cabinets all around the kitchen. Nice sink and remote. Beautiful view to the backyard. And here's the nook area and a really large family room. So you have best of all the features. Really large countertop, island, I mean. There's one more to show, the main living area. It goes to a really nice storage space here. The linen closet. They can store. And then you are entering the guest suite. It's really nice, good size bedroom with a window and a closet and an attached bathroom. Beautiful design tiles all the way to the ceiling. Walk-in shower. Beautiful design tiles. Floor as well. That's the end of first floor. Okay, now we're going upstairs to the stairs. Beautiful open rails. Wrought iron spindles. Nice, good quality carpet. You come in, you have a linen closet here. And here's the walkway path. And then you have one bedroom here. It's nice and large bedroom, actually it's pretty deep. 3 windows and the view is wonderful. You have this large 1-acre home behind you that gives you nice privacy. And the backyard is also really wide, very practical. It has vegetable beds, retaining walls, grass area, and then large concrete area and walk path pavers to go to the front of the house, to the garage, and easy to take the garbage can, etc. Double closet in this bedroom. And then right next to it, the guest bath, which is very convenient. 2 sinks, and then you have a door to the shower and potty area. And then you have the main area walk path here. Okay, here is the laundry room with skylight. Washer and dryer comes with it. You could fold the clothes in this countertop, and then also there is a sink to, if you want to hand wash, sink. It's nice. Very nice, large size laundry room. And this is a huge media room. It has the darkening blinds also. So if you pull them down, it should block most of the light. It's very nice and large. I will put a nice home theater system here. Has double door entry also, which is nice. And then here's the walk path. And the next bedroom is bedroom number, I would say 3, because we saw the guest bedroom downstairs, then 1 bedroom over there and media room. Now this is bedroom number 3, which is also nice and deep. Has nice view in the front, facing the front, and that's the closet. Walk to the next room. Okay, on the walk path here you have the opening to see the downstairs, the front door, and the nice chandelier. It's also great to communicate with folks downstairs, either through this side of the stairs or this side of this opening. And then the next bedroom, bedroom number 4, which is also huge. This is huge. All the bedroom sizes are really big, and it has a walk-in closet as well. Wow, that's nice. And it has lots of lights because it's facing the front, and also it has a side window. There's a door here in the walkway. That's the furnace room. It's nice. It's high efficiency to have the furnace inside the house, the middle of the house, than in the garage. This is a new style of construction now. And you have the double door inviting you to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is nice and large with a beautiful modern looking ceiling fan. The house has air conditioner and the 3 big large wide windows. Master bedroom makes it nice and bright, and the view is fantastic too. It's overlooking this this $1.5 or more $1 million home, which originally was owned by the builder. It's a 1 acre property, so it's kind of good to have a nice view in the back. And then we are walking into the master bath. Beautiful tiles, beautiful shower with nice patterns all the way to the ceiling, and really nice bathtub, double sink, all undermount and framed mirrors. It's very nice finish, really high end. And you have the walk-in closet, lots of shelves. Really nice. And then here's the toilet area with a separate door. And then you have this double door, takes it out. And that concludes our tour, and I'll take you guys to the backyard next. This is a really nice corner lot, lots of light, and makes the house looks beautiful. It has 3-car garage. It has a really nice walkway to the entrance. Let me just show the staircase and how it goes. It's very elegant. Beautiful front door. And nice windows. Beautiful color. Paint color, I meant. And if you walk to the side, this video is mainly showcasing the front yard and the side yard and backyard. So we walk in here. It's nice to have these pavers. So on a rainy day, it's not going to be muddy or anything. So when you walk in here, you have your garbage cans, easy to roll it out, easy to bring your garbage because this walk path is nice and beautiful and clean. And here's the grass area, beautiful lush greens, and the pavers that go all the way here. And then you have this nice retaining wall that they built to keep the raised bed there. And I think some of these are fruit trees. I don't know what they are, but they look like fruit trees to me. And you have this vegetable garden area, beautifully set up, nice and clean. You have 4 boxes of 12 by 4, I think, or 8 by 4. Possibly, yeah, 8 by 4, I think. And you have this nice walking area, and this is the AC. Some more area to do more gardening. Easy maintenance, for sure. And because it's a corner unit, look at the amount of light that's coming into your backyard opening, and the home in the back is also nice and far out. Even here it's much more open, so you feel that you're not cramped. The only house that's close by to you is the one on the right side, but it is a really nice wide backyard because the home itself is, the floor plan itself is like a wide home, but it takes a huge lot to build a home like this, but it's wonderful. And that concludes the backyard tour. Thank you. Bye.
சஹா டிவி எல்லோரும் வாழ்க வளமுடன்னு ரொம்ப வருஷமா பல சிறந்த பேச்சாளர்களை வச்சு இயங்கிட்டு வருது. எல்லோரும் வாழ்க வளமுடன், ஒன்லி அப்லிஃப்டிங். ஸோ சஹா டிவிக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம அந்த பெல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தா உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க.